Hi and welcome to Liam. Hi and welcome to Awkward Garden Rooms, and just before I continue anymore, I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Me, Josh and Adam and Ethan, who's not here, has built this room. I'm sorry I didn't do any tutorials, but I've been very poorly. All the team have, so we've just been getting his heads down in building it. It's just slightly over 6 metres and it's 2.8 wide. Anyway, I'll show you, take you for a quick look round the outside, and then it's very muddy. I'll have to take my boots off and I'll take you to the inside. So if we just come a bit closer, Josh. We've got 3 metre bifold doors, which I'll show you working in a minute. If you just want to show them the lights in the cedar soffit. So obviously we've done cedar soffit on this one and a plastic black fascia. Security light here, fit by Adam, he's over there. We're all cleaning gear. We've got a nice window here. I'll show you that work in a minute too. On this job, because you'll see when we go inside, we've fitted a bathroom. We're not actually installing the bathroom, but we've made a room and it's going to be a low occupancy bathroom. So we've put an extractor here and we've put an extractor on the other side, and you'll see it here. It's actually on now. Wow, can feel it blowing really hot air out because the heater's on in the room. Josh, I don't know if you can squeeze down there and just give them a quick look at the gutter and the back the best you possibly can. Yeah, maybe. Right, we'll go around the other side now. So round this side again, we've put a nice letterbox opening window in here too. It wants a little clean. If you just look over at Adam there, you'll see he's got the cleaning gear. We've actually completed the job, but we're going to just quickly clean the windows and the glass and then we're off. We've also got the other extractor, which is in the bathroom, which you'll see when we go inside. It'll make a bit more sense then. The customer's request is requested another security light on the side. We've also fit this downpipe and electric socket here. The reason being for the downpipe being on the side of the building here and not round the back is because he's going to have a toilet here. So hopefully he'll plumb this into somewhere there and he'll be able to get rid of his rainwater there. And we have got Liam calling, but we'll just ignore him for now. Anyway, I'll take you into the inside. Pause it, Josh. Liam? Liam?
John, I don't suppose you remember, right, but
Voila! Through the power of editing, I'm now in the office. I'll show you when I get a bit closer. Adam's been laughing at my Christmas socks. We'll give you a close look at them in a minute. So I'm now in the building. I've opened the doors. Josh, do you want to come in, mate? I mean, you're not probably going to be able to come too close. I don't want mud all over the floor. But if you just take a look round here, Josh, bring it in. In fact, I'll take the camera off you now. Just swap that over. Right, let's have a look. Right, so we're now inside. So there's the nice window on the right-hand side of the building. We've fitted the digital 2 kilowatt heater also. What are you two laughing at?
it's on the left.
Well, it's on my right, it's on your left. Right, we've also fitted the consumer unit as usual. I know Liam shows you all the time, but as I'm showing you around the job, I'll show you too. We've got the inside and outside lights here. This is the bathroom. I'll take you over and show you the bathroom now. Downlighters in the ceiling as usual. He's chose all USB sockets on this one, and he's chose a Gladstone oak floor. Anyway, this is the door to the bathroom. We've not painted this one, so it's left unpainted. We've just caulked it, filled it and give it a quick sand. So there's the letterbox window. What wall's it on, lads? There's the extractor to let all the steam out of the bathroom. I'll just show you this side. The cable is there, we've ran that, and obviously it's disconnected from the board. He will be getting a little shower cubicle installed here, and we've put an heater in here, and a toilet is going to go on this wall there. So that'll look fantastic when it's done. We put 2 downlighters in the ceiling also. And I think that's it. Thanks for watching my fantastic, I'm all lost. Just before I go, I'll show you the modem. We've installed the modem. He's only on Sky, so he's only getting about 90 meg, but that's still well fast enough for the internet inside the office. And these two jokers here don't do a great deal. We're talking about, say Merry Christmas. Oh, hang on, I'll show you my socks, 2 minutes. They don't know one of them puppies. My sister got me then. Anyway, you can get in here and clean this class. Thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe. And also have a good Christmas. And here's Adam, the dog's body of the company. Hey up, dog. How are you doing? No, you're not doing that right. It's Adam. It's
Wax on.
Wax on, wax off. Well, here's Kim and Aggie. They're on with the job in hand. I think they've already done the triple windows there. They're looking a lot cleaner.
John dodging doing the cleaning work. Look.
This is Josh, the joiner. Say hello, Josh.
Oh, yeah.
Well,
He's going, Merry
tries to
Christmas.
be a joiner, but anyway, there you go.
Oh.